Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican in Switzerland, and today I'm going to show you how to make some egg and ham-filled croissants. These are actually quite nice as an aperitif, as a picnic snack, or a lazy day that you don't want to cook a heavy lunch, especially in summer. So I hope you enjoy making the recipe with me. Okay, so the ingredients you need to make your egg and ham-filled croissants are 2 packages of pastry dough, or well, the equivalent to 640 grams of pastry dough. Each of my packages is 320. You're also going to need 200 grams of ham, chopped up finely. You can use any kind of ham you like, turkey, chicken, pork, any kind of ham you like, just chop it up very finely. 30 grams of parsley, also chopped up finely. 4 hard-boiled eggs, also chopped up very finely. And as a tip, when you're cooking your hard-boiled eggs, as soon as you're sure that they're nice and hard, you have to shock them in really cold water until they are really cool down. And like that, when you peel them, the shell comes off very easily and it doesn't come off with chunks of egg. So just shock your eggs well with very cold water. You're also going to need half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. God, that's tricky to say. Who else has a hard time saying it? And that would be it. Okay, the next step is putting absolutely all your ingredients in here except for the pastry dough, and you're going to hand mix them. So you put in the egg, the ham, the mustard, the Worcestershire sauce, the parsley, the salt, and the pepper, and you're going to mix it all very well. I put on a glove because I have my nails painted and I don't want any nail polish to be in the food while I'm mixing, but you have to mix very, very well. Okay, so the next step is cutting our dough. I buy pre-made pastry dough in the supermarket, but so I have to cut the shapes. What you have to do is you have to cut triangles. So the best way is usually cutting in half, and then usually the end parts are kind of wasted dough. You can't really make use of them if you want to get nice even triangles. So you can use either a pizza cutter or a knife and just cut your triangles until you're done with all the dough. And the next step after that is grabbing 1 spoonful of the filling. You're going to put it on the wider part of the dough of your triangle, and you're going to start rolling them up until they're formed like croissants. I finished rolling up all the croissants. These are quite little, so they're more like finger food. Here is the thing with these types of dishes. You guys can modify completely the filling to your liking. I made them how I like it, but if you like more egg or more ham or more parsley, that's up to you how much you add. You can totally modify the filling to your liking. Another thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is you're going to need to have an extra egg, which you're going to whisk up, the egg white and the egg yolk, and that's just going to do like adding shine for your croissants. It's just to add shine. And I guess that's it. You're going to have to preheat your oven at 210 degrees Celsius or 410 Fahrenheit, and then you're going to pop them in the oven for 20 minutes, and then they're ready. Our croissants are out of the oven. As you can see, they're really nice and golden. It looks really nice thanks to the egg wash we put on them. They are really tasty, not because I made them. They are a really nice thing to snack on, to share with guests. So I hope you guys make them, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.